Next example is integration of cosecant x into dx. So for solving this one, there are two methods. Okay, so first method is what? Integration of cosecant x. Here we are multiplying cosecant x minus cot x and dividing also cosecant x minus cot x into dx. Now here we are taking cosecant x minus cot x as t. So everything we have to convert in terms of t. So we have to differentiate. So what will come? D of cosecant x minus cot x equal to dt. Okay. So cosecant differential what will come? Minus cosecant x into cot x, and x differential what? Dx minus cot differential what will come? Minus cosecant square x, and x differential what will come? Dx equal to dt. Now here we are taking cosecant x into dx, we are taking common. Okay, cosecant x and dx we are taking common. Now what is remaining? So from here we are taking cosecant x common. So what is remaining? Minus cot x. Minus cot x. And here minus minus plus, 1 cosecant x we are taking common. So remaining is what? Plus cosecant x equal to dt. Okay, so this integration will become what? Integration of cosecant x into cosecant x minus cot x into dx. Cosecant x minus cot x into dx, we can add dt. So numerator will be what? Dt, and denominator is what? T. So this will come what? Ln modulus of t plus c. Okay, so t value is what? This one. So what will come? Ln modulus of cosecant x minus cot x plus c. And we know that cosecant square x minus cot square x equal to 1. So from here we can write cosecant x minus cot x equal to 1 divided by cosecant x plus cot x. So instead of this one we can write this one also. So this will come out ln 1 by modulus of cosecant x plus cot x plus c. That is one formula. Now this one we are converting in terms of sine cos. So what is ln? This is what? 1 by sine x minus this is cos x divided by sine x plus c. This will come. So here we are taking LCM is what? Sine x. So what will come? Ln modulus of numerator is what? 1 minus cos x. 1 minus cos x. And denominator is what? Sine x plus c. So ln 1 minus cos x is what? 2 sine square x by 2. And sine x we can add what? 2 sine x by 2 into cos x by 2 plus c. So here sine x by 2 getting cancelled, 2 getting cancelled. Sine x by 2 divided by cos x by 2 is what? Tan x by 2. So what is remaining? Ln modulus of tan x by 2 plus c. This is your answer. Okay, so this one formula is what? One is this one, other is what? Ln. We can add cosecant x minus cot x, we can add 1 divided by cosecant x plus cot x, that is second formula. Third is ln tan x by 2 plus c, that is third formula. Now we are discussing second method. In second method what you will do? Cosecant x we can write is what? 1 by sine x into dx. Now here what you are doing? We are multiplying sine x in numerator and dividing sine x. So denominator is what? Sine square x into dx. So this one we can write sine x. Sine square x we can add what? 1 minus cos square x into dx. So here cos x we are taking what? T. So everything we have to convert in terms of t. So we have to differentiate this one. So d of cos x equal to dt. So cos differential what? Minus sine x. X differential what? Dx equal to dt. So from here what will come? Sine x dx we can have what? Minus dt divided by 1 minus cos x we can add what? T. So 1 minus t square. So this one we can add integration of dt divided by t square minus 1. Okay, and this one we know integration. So this is what? 1 by 2, a is what? 1 ln modulus of t minus 1 divided by t plus 1 plus c. This will come. Okay, so this will come what? 1 by 2 ln t is what? Cos x. Okay, so minus we can take common. So what will come? Minus outside 1 minus cos x divided by Denominator is what? 1 plus cos x. 1 plus cos x plus c. So what will come? 1 by 2 ln. Negative we can cancel because we are taking modulus. So what will come? Modulus of 1 minus cos x we can write 2 sin square x by 2. 1 plus cos x we can write 2 cos square x by 2 plus c. Okay. So here 1 by 2 we can take in power. So what will come? Ln 2 getting cancelled. Sin x by 2 divided by cos square x by 2. This one we can write tan square x by 2 to the whole power 1 by 2 plus c. So this one we can write ln modulus of tan x by 2 plus c, because tan square x whole power 1 by 2. So 2 and 1 by 2 getting cancelled, we'll get ln tan x by 2 plus c. So this is your integration of cosecant x dx.